So you've got the pattern 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Yeah, like ignore everything else in the question. Everything else is just actors messing with you. So this is 0, 1. So you ignore even the timing diagram. That's just the confusion. If you look at it, you get confused. Don't look at it. So you have 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Alright, so you put this in the state diagram. So let's start with the first state. We actually made this the first state. He called it reset. We'll call it reset as well, like him. And then B, and hold on, so you have a 0, 1, 0, 0, and then 1. And you just fill them in whatever they say, so C, D, E, that's an E, F. And only at this point you get T equals 1. So then you have to label the output to get the marks. So these are all 0, T is all 0, until you get that sequence. So and then you label that to get some marks. So output T, and this is like, I think it's SD or something like that. So we get some basic marks. At this point you got some marks, which is nice. But then it says what happens if it's in any order. Alright, let's start with the first state. Now there's only two outputs that can come out of this, 0 or 1, because this is like 2 to the n rule. So 0 or 1. Alright, so what happens when 1 comes out of this? So initially, what happens when 1? It makes no difference. So I think we can safely put this back to here. That if you have any 1s, it goes back to reset at this point, because this is our reset state. Ignore it, allow it. Alright, so this one, you got 1 coming out of it, which is true. And what happens if you get 0 coming out of it? Now we have 0, 0, so 0, and then 0. So here we have 0, 0, and then 1. So we have a double 0. But at this point, we haven't done this bit, 0, 1 yet. So we need to do the 0, 1. So when you have 0, 0 coming before this point, so imagine you've got 0, 0, 1. You've got to go back to the beginning. So I'm going to put this one here. Wait. 0, 0. Well, if you have 0, said you can just put it down here, which is here. Because, what was it again? I actually knew it once. So you've got 0. And then if you loop it back down here, 0, 0. So any other zeros will go back to the state, and you have 0, 1, which pretty much ignores all the other zeros. Here 0, we can have 1, which is another state that can work. So you have 1, then 1. 1, 1 makes no sense. It's never in this, so we'll reset it and make it bad. Here we have 1, so we have 0, 1. Now that's nice. We've got this here, right here. Now if you got 0, 1, we can have 0, 0 after that. So this can go back to here. So 0, 1, we put it here. So 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Nice one. Alright, so 0. And oh yeah, 1, we have the 0 coming out of here, which is the alternative point, which is 0, 0. Which is this bit. To get to this point, we've already done this bit. So we've got 0, 0. So here, if we have 0, 0, it must go to... hold on. Before the state, we had 0, 0. And we've got another 0. That means we've got 3 zeros at this point. That's nasty. Nah. There's no such thing as 3 zeros. We're going to reset that state. Alright, here we've got a 0 coming out here or a 1. We've got both states. Alright, so what happens if we've got 0? So we've got 1, 0. So we've got 0, 1, 0. We've got 0, 0, 1, 0. So 0, 0, 1, 0. Intriguing. What if this is 0, 1, we carry on these two? So 0, 1, we have 0, 0. So 0, 1, it will go to actor here. So 0, 0, 1. So that would work as 0, 1. No, I should go to here. 0, 1, 0, 1. Yeah.